Morning. Welcome to SEC Prasanta Behra. I have already explained in my lecture 1 and lecture 2 classes about verb. What is verb? Why is it important for us to learn verb? Types of verbs: transitive verb, intransitive verb, finite verb, non-finite verb, regular verb, irregular verb. The words which show action or state of being are called verbs. The verb is the most important part of a sentence. Go, play, eat, walk, read, write, run, all are the action words are main verbs. Verbs mainly two types: main verbs and helping verbs, what we say the auxiliary verbs. मेन वर्ब्स काम के लिए मेन वर्ब यूज होती है. रीड, राइट, प्ले, डांस, रन, ईट, ऑल आर द मेन वर्ब्स. मेन वर्ब का आखिर में ना होती है. खाना, पीना, आना, जाना, नहाना, पढ़ना, पढ़ाना, ये सब एंडिंग विथ ना जो होती है, ये सब वर्ब है. नाउ आई एम गिविंग सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ verbs. These are the helping verbs. Be is the helping verb. Is, are, am, was, were, be, being, been. Does, do, did, done, doing. Have, has, have, had, having. All are the helping verbs. Modal verbs. Modal verbs are also helping verbs. Modal verb cannot use as the main verb. These primary auxiliary verb, be verb, have verb or does verb, they can act as the main verb if there is no main verb in a sentence. I have a pen. Here have is the main verb. So there are some regular verbs also, irregular verbs. Want, wanted, irregular verbs. Go, went, irregular verbs. If you add d or ed form, this is the regular verb. Go, went, learn, learned, ending t, run, run, this is the or are the irregular verbs. Those are, if you add ded, this is the regular verb. If you can't the past form ded, this is the irregular verbs. Another type of verbs I am giving some definition examples: transitive verb and intransitive verb. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब हैज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. सेंटेंस का कंप्लीट मीनिंग होता है. ए ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब हैज ए सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ए डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. वेयर यू सी इन ए सेंटेंस डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, दिस इज द ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. intransitive verb and intransitive verb does not have an object. Intransitive verb only has a subject and a verb. ऑब्जेक्ट का जरूरत नहीं है. इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में ऑब्जेक्ट का जरूरत नहीं है. इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब हैज ए सब्जेक्ट एंड ए वर्ब. इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब डिस्क्राइब्स द फिजिकल बिहेवियर. I am giving some examples of transitive and intransitive verb. Achilles is walking to the market. The door opened slowly. Some examples of intransitive verb: suppose arrive, die, fall, go, laugh, smile, stay. We use the in intransitive verb. There is no object, direct object here. So intransitive verb, I am giving another example. Aniket is giving me a mango. Here there is two objects. Aniket is giving me a mango. A mango is the direct object. Me, Aniket is giving me is the indirect object. Aniket is giving me what? Aniket is giving me mango. Transitive verb has direct object. There is no indirect object. I am giving some other examples of transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Some verbs can be transitive, some verbs can be intransitive, and some verbs can be transitive or intransitive with the same meaning. There is no change of meaning. The door opened. I opened the door. The door opened. I opened the door. The door opened. Intransitive verb. I opened the door. This is a transitive verb. Because I the subject, opened is the verb, and the door is the object. Subject, verb, object. This is the transitive verb. I have already told you transitive verb has an object. In transitive verb there is no object. In intransitive verb there is subject and a verb. ऑब्जेक्ट का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है इंट्रांजिटिव फॉर्म में, बट इन ट्रांजिटिव फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट का ज़रूरत है. ट्रांजिटिव फॉर्म का कंप्लीट मीनिंग होती है. सो आई एम गिविंग अनदर एग्जांपल. अनिकेत इज रीडिंग intransitive verb. Aniket is reading a book. Transitive verb. Aniket is reading what? There is no object. No object. Intransitive verb. Aniket is reading a book. Aniket is reading what? Aniket is reading a book. A book is the direct object. Wherever the direct object, that is the transitive verb. Always transitive verb has a meaning, complete meaning. So we have to know all these things about the verb. Why verb is important? In order to recognize the tense. Which tense is it? I am going to the market. Which tense is it? Present progressive. How do we know? Because is going. Is the helping verb, going is the main verb. So we have to always identify the verb, like the go, then is the past one went, then gone, then going. So all these things we have to know it. Another thing, I have to give you some details about the finite verb, non-finite verb. Finite verb, main verbs, what we say that expresses tense. Finite verb expresses tense. Non-finite verb is also we can divide into three parts. Infinitive, you know, to go, to play, to eat. This is the 2 plus verb are the infinitive. This also verbs come also the non-finite verb. To eat, to open, to play, to walk, to run, to sit, to stand. All these are the infinitive verbs. This is the indefinite or simple present. to plus simple present or indefinite or infinitive, same thing. I have already discussed, explained about the participle, function as adjective. I have also already discussed gerund, function as noun. These are also comes under the non-finite verbs. Gerund, I am giving one example. Swimming is a good exercise. Walking is a good exercise. Walking is a good exercise. Eating pizza or fast food are not good for our health. So eating, swimming, walking, all are the gerunds. Function is noun. These are the verbs. So lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3, you have to watch all the classes of verb pattern to know about the verb. I have done 3 classes about the verb pattern. If you want to learn more about the verb, you have any doubt, mention in the comment box. I will do for you more classes. But I think this enough for you to know about the verb. First of all, we have to know the what is verb. I have explained in all my lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3 classes. What is verb? I have already explained. This is the definition of verb. The words which show the action or state of being are called verb. Types of verb, main verbs, helping verbs. What is the helping verbs? I have already discussed. What is the helping verb? How is it used? The helping verb is used before the main verb. If there is no main verb, it also functions as the main verb. But modal verbs, modal auxiliary verbs, it is only the helping verb. There is no the main verb. How to use the modal verbs, I have already explained in the lecture 1, lecture 2 classes. I am giving some more examples to the modal verbs. Modal verbs, the helping verbs. If you use at the beginning of a sentence, some sentences are the making request. Some sentences are asking for permission. I am giving 2-3 more examples, not more. But this is the verb pattern class. How is it used, the modal verbs? Can you swim in the river? Yes, I can. No, I can't. This is the yes, no type of questions. Do you play chess? Yes, I do. No, I don't. This is the yes, no type of question. Do, is it the present simple? This is the helping verb. And can you swim in the river? This is also the helping verb, modal verb. This is also the yes, no type of questions. Can you turn off the fan? Could you please turn off the fan? This is the making request. Means I am requesting to somebody to turn off the fan. May I go outside? Would it be alright if I go for a while? These are the modal verbs we use in asking for permission. So these are the verbs. We have to watch all my video of modal verbs, verb patterns to know about the verb. If you have any doubt, anything else about the verb pattern, mention in my comment box. I'll give you I am giving my phone number also here, 9658032516. You can call me and ask for the class if you have any doubt related to English 9th, 10th, plus 2, whatever may be English literature, English honors, I'll do in my YouTube. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.